Hello and welcome to Zimsteg Media. In other stories, two people are reported to have been shot dead after a Delta bus traveling from Johannesburg to Zimbabwe was hijacked on Thursday morning, 9 October 2025. The attack saw armed robbers ambush the vehicle, leaving passengers traumatized and stripped of their valuables. According to reports, the hijacking occurred along the bus route shortly after it left Johannesburg. Early reports stated that two people were allegedly shot dead during the ordeal. While authorities have not yet officially confirmed the fatalities, eyewitness accounts from the scene describe a terrifying and bloody attack. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.